Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today I'm going to demonstrate the basic inversions that every beginner needs to know.
It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one.
If you guys are enjoying the video, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this as well as detailed tutorials, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do detailed tutorials on these inversions. These inversions are the foundation of many skills, including the slack drop, which you can check out my tutorial for in the top right corner. I hope you've enjoyed this overview of the basic inversions. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!